Hello folks, now is day 2 of my 1 week challenge of ketogenic and intermittent fasting. It's 7 o'clock a.m. so it's approximately 18 hours that I've been fasting into a ketogenic diet and approximately 24 hours that I've been in a ketogenic diet. So now I'm going to measure my glucose and my blood ketone levels in my blood, and let's compare those results with the fasting that I did without a ketogenic diet. So let's do it. 3.9 millimole per liter.
3.9 millimoles per liter is equivalent to 70.2 milligrams per deciliter.
Now let's measure the ketone bodies. Zero point seven millimole per liter of ketone bodies. Okay, last time at 18 hours, my glucose level was 4.1 and my ketone was 0.28. Okay, we saw that my ketone bodies level went down. I don't know why, it just went down, and my glucose level was low. Maybe my ketone body levels went down because last night my glucose level was too low, and then I ate 50 grams of blueberries, so this can balance a little bit. Now let's measure at noon. It's going to be a 24-hour fasting and more than a day of ketogenic diet. Now I'm going to weigh myself and see how did I change. Yesterday I was 142 pounds and approximately 63 kilos.
You can see in this graph that in the last 36 hours I lost approximately 2.2 pounds, which is 1 kilo.
Now I finished my first intermittent fasting of the week. So it's been 24 hours that I have been fasting. So now it's approximately 30 minutes after noon, 35 minutes after noon. And I'm going to measure the glucose and then the ketone body on my blood. Okay, so let's do it first with the glucose. Contagem regressiva. 3.4. The glucose went down to 3.4 millimole per liter,
which is the same as 61.2 milligrams per deciliter.
Very low glucose level. Now my ketone body. Let's see if I can get more blood. $1.4 millimoles per liter So last time I did my video with the intermittent fasting for 1 day, I end up with my ketone blood level at 24 hours at 0.4 millimole per liter. Now was 1.4 millimole per liter, okay. And my glucose, it went down to 4.1.
4.1 is the same as 73.6 milligram per deciliter.
After 24-hour fasting, now was, I believe, 3.4. And now I'm going to eat, have my lunch, and a ketogenic lunch, and I'm going to measure again the glucose and the ketones tomorrow.
So doing a recap for the last 24 hours of what happened of my glucose level, you see it started at 81 milligrams per deciliter and went continuously down up to 61.2 milligrams per deciliter. We know that the normal range of fasting glucose is between 70 and 99 milligrams per deciliter. And you see that I started already at the median, like 81 milligrams per deciliter, and it went down continuously to 61.2 milligrams per deciliter. Now the ketone bodies, we see that I started at 0.4, which is high comparing to just doing 1 day of fasting. It went up after 8 hours to 1.1 millimole per liter, and then it dropped during the night to 0.7, and after it went up to 1.4 millimole per liter, which is, I believe, it's very good levels for the second day. And we know that the therapeutic levels of ketone body is between 3 to 5 millimole per liter. That's what we intend to get, between 3 to 5 millimoles per liter. So you see that in average, I went from 0.4 to 1.4 millimole per liter in the last 24 hours. So now let's see what's going to happen tomorrow, and if it is going to continue going up, if my glucose is still going down. See you tomorrow. Watch video 3. Bye.